access to knowledge resources now have access to the wealth of learning available on the web on demand. Some CECs are tailored to serve as school centers, helping change Filipino awareness and perception of the world and technology as rural families freely communicate with overseas working kin and strengthen the social fibers of many Filipino family relationships stained by absence and separation anxieties. Another interesting achievement of the program is that it helped in bringing together all individual and distinct telecenter initiatives that gave rise to PhilSecNet, which is now government's partner in carrying out key telecenter development trusts. The advent of ICT even changed the way governance is conducted. It necessitated transformations that would utilize to the fullest the benefits of breakthroughs in communications technology. In fact, the President, early on in his presidency, ordered the drafting of a new roadmap for the government's e-centers program to help bridge the digital divide, focusing on infra and capacity building. He suggested a goal of providing a CEC in each of the 42,011 barangays, which he considered a big task. It was on this premise that the functions and goals of the Office of the Press Secretary were reoriented and transformed, and for a starter, renaming it as the Presidential Communications Operations Office and creating the Presidential Communications Development and Strategic Office. The PCOO has been doing its very best to transform its attached agencies into e-centers to attain faster and more effective delivery of information to our technology-driven people, especially in the countryside. The OP Web Development Office, or commonly referred to as the President's new media team, is responsible for the establishment of the President's official website, which is www.president.gov.ph, an official presence on social networking channels such as the Facebook, www.facebook.com/PresidentNoy. Twitter account of the President, it's www.com/NoyNoyAquino, and YouTube, www.youtube.com/user/RTVMPnoy. It is also partly responsible for the feedback mechanism of the President, wherein it receives the comments, concerns, and suggestions through the Contact Us section of the President's website. It's also responsible for the President's social media engagement and in maximizing the use of new technologies to further the President's agenda, policies, and programs. We now also have local websites such as the One Luzon and One Mindanao, which are e-magazines that deliver important information regarding government activities geared towards peace and development in the concerned region. This is also true with the PCDSPO, which includes among its functions research and development of new media instruments, presidential proclamations, orders, and other like documents can now be had through the official gazette posted in the presidential website, which is www.president.gov.ph. The website also contains the President's activities, his speeches, and pronouncement. Viewers may post their views and concerns on current issues through the website, which are immediately attended to. As President Aquino pointed out in a speech delivered during the contract signing of Globe Telecom's Mobile Network Modernization Program held in Malacanang last January, ours is an age of innovation. We are constantly on the cusp of new discoveries, new technologies, and new ways for people to interact and meaningfully engage one another. It's along this line that we are transforming our government's information program into a technology-driven process that would keep our people down to the grassroots level abreast of the workings of government to gain their all-out support. Thank you very much and congratulations. I wish you all a most fruitful and enjoyable conference. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the personal message of Secretary Sani Coloma. So as I've said, I would have to deliver first the message of the Secretary before we proceed to the project, which is Ramdam ni Juan Project. Ano po yung ibig sabihin ng Ramdam ni Juan? Ibig sabihin, nararamdaman ba ng ordinaryong Pilipino ang nagagawa ng gobyerno natin ngayon? Does the message of the government really goes across these people? Yun po yung programa ng aming agency, yung Presidential Communications Operations Office. Dati po siyang Office of the Press Secretary. So ngayon po, hindi nyo na naririnig yung OPS dahil na narename na po siya, ito na po yung PCOO. And the task really of PCOO is to serve as the bridge, to serve as the medium between the government and the people. Ano pong ibig sabihin nun? Kami po yung kukuha ng sentimiento ng mga tao down to the grassroots level. May mga barangays po, barangay representatives po tayo dito. Pwede po ninyong gamitin yung office namin para maging medium, para masabi nyo po sa pamahalaan, sa pamamagitan namin, yung gusto nyo pong sabihin, even to the President. Because really, the function of our office is to act as an intermediary to bring your messages across to the President, to the present government, and vice versa. So, paano po nangyayari yon? Yung office po namin, may mga attached agencies. One of which is the Philippine Information Agency. Dito po sa Davao, meron po tayong regional office ng PIA dito. Meron din po from your respective provinces, may mga regional office and provincial offices din po ang PIA. You can coordinate with them and maging link tayo para maparating sa mga tao yung gustong sabihin ng gobyerno, and vice versa, we can get the message or the sentiments of the people back to the office of the President. Aside from the Philippine Information Agency, meron din po tayong Radyo ng Bayan. Sa mga probinsya po ba natin may Radyo ng Bayan tayo? Yes, meron po. Because we have 32 stations nationwide ng Radyo ng Bayan. So if etong 32 stations na to combined with the PIA 13 regional offices, kinombine po natin ito, yung reach ng office po natin and yung reach po ninyo pag kinombine natin becomes a nationwide exchange of information. It becomes a nationwide exchange of relevant information from the government and to the government. Saan po manggagaling yung message? Manggagaling po yung message sa ating lahat. So, through your community e-centers, you can actually coordinate with us. Wala pang split second lang yan. The message of your people can actually reach us already. So as I've said, you can visit us sa aming website, which is www.pcoo.gov.ph. You can also reach the President at www.president.gov.ph. So through your community e-centers, we can work collaboratively. Pwede po tayong mag-form ng partnership kasi iisa lang naman po yung goal natin dito, which is sana maiparating natin sa Pangulo at sa present government ng Pangulo natin kung ano talaga yung mga nangyayari at the grassroots level. So the Ramdam ni Juan Project aims na maramdaman ni Juan na kahit taga-barangay siya, naaabot pa rin siya ni President Aquino. Naaabot pa rin siya ng gobyerno ni President Aquino. And that's actually the reason for being ng aming agency, the Presidential Communications Operations Office.